Hi guys, so welcome again to my channel. And now we have this Kyosho high grip tires with foam inserts that we are going to install to our Kyosho MK1 RC motorcycle. So again, this is the MK1 version, like the old vintage one. The HOR is also vintage, but this is like way back. And this is the one with the static rider. So here it is. Let's just go ahead, follow the instructions on how to set this up. Alright, and then time for the front tire. And this one needs to be installed like this, basing on the manual. Okay, there you go. So we just need to insert it like that. Alright, and here it is now. We're done with this one. Alright, so it said in the manual to use the light flywheel, which I do not have access to at the moment. So I just made this from screw nuts and put it on the wheel and then covered it with electrical tape so it wouldn't move, and we'll see how this one goes. And this is the weight comparison of the two. Right is the stock flywheel, and then on the left is the one I just made. And we're almost done with the fitment.
Osaka rhymes with
And it's time for us to install the wheels up front, the disc brakes. We have to squeeze them in, but they fit nicely. And we are going to install the bearings on both sides. And it's done, so we'll proceed to the next step. Alright, so we're done with the installation. So this was the Kyosho high grip tires with foam inserts, and then we made a DIY flywheel, and we also installed bearings. So next step is to do a test run. Ready to go.
Yun, 1 minute na.
you so much for tuning in, guys, and I really like how this turned out. So the installation of bearings, front and rear wheel, and the gearbox, it improved its performance a lot. Had to adjust a little bit with the steering when I made a lighter flywheel compared to the stock one. So I had to make some adjustments with the way it handles, but I actually like it better than the stock setup. And next plan basically is to build a Kyosho HOR, or the MK2 version, the one with the leaning rider. I'm not sure if it's possible or if I can buy all the necessary parts, including shafts. I just ordered the shafts, but I'm not sure if there's a set of screws or washers that I can buy, that I would need to build one. But at least the other parts, like the gearbox, the chassis itself, or the frame, the fairings, they're all pretty much available. So it's possible. Maybe I'll have a very hard time building one from scratch or from bag parts or kits, because right now I really don't have access to the kit itself. So I'm hoping to build one from just the parts available. This is the MK1, and I would love to have the leaning version. See, I thank you so much for tuning in. Please do subscribe, guys. Comment down below, like this video. I appreciate all the support. All right, have a good night or good morning.